Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make your site HTTPS. First, let's understand what HTTPS is. It stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, and it's crucial for online security. HTTPS encrypts the data exchanged between a user's browser and your website using Transport Layer Security, or TLS. This protects sensitive information, like login details and payment data, from being intercepted. You'll recognize an HTTPS site by the small padlock icon in your browser's address bar. The first step to securing your site is obtaining an SSL/TLS certificate. Think of it as a digital passport for your website. You can get free certificates from organizations like Let's Encrypt, which are widely supported. For businesses needing more advanced features or warranties, commercial certificates are available from various vendors. Many web hosting providers also offer straightforward, often one-click, installation of these certificates, making the process quite simple. Once you have your certificate, it's time for implementation. You'll need to install the SSL/TLS certificate on your web server. After installation, configure your server to automatically redirect all incoming HTTP traffic to HTTPS. This ensures visitors always land on the secure version of your site. Don't forget to update all internal links and resources, like images and scripts, to use HTTPS URLs. Also, verify that any external resources your site uses are also loaded securely. After implementation, it's crucial to verify everything is working correctly. Use online SSL checkers to confirm your certificate is properly installed and configured. Remember to regularly renew your certificate, typically every 90 days for free ones, to avoid browser security warnings. Keep an eye out for mixed content warnings, where insecure HTTP resources are loaded on an HTTPS page. Implementing HTTPS not only boosts user trust, but also positively impacts your site's search engine optimization.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.